Have you ever wondered how complex supply chains are optimized in real-world industry? Today, we're diving deep into Shapez.io, a minimalist factory-building automation game inspired by Factorio that teaches you the logic of infinite production. Shapez.io is an easygoing, minimalistic game where you take control of a factory to automate the creation and processing of increasingly complex shapes across an infinitely expanding map. Your only limitation is your creativity as you plan production lines. The core mechanic involves extracting basic raw materials and combining them through satisfying production lines to create new shapes. You must build efficient systems that combine different types of shapes to automate the creation of ever more complex objects. As you progress by delivering requested shapes, you unlock upgrades that streamline your workflow. The goal is to adapt to these complex geometric requirements and grow your factory seamlessly across the endless digital landscape without bottlenecks. Think of it as an economic strategy where you plan production lines to create the most complex objects from basic raw materials. It is essentially a simplified, satisfying version of industrial logistics focused purely on the flow of geometry. This game serves as an excellent educational tool for understanding automation logic. By visualizing how inputs are transformed into intricate outputs, you grasp the fundamental principles of manufacturing and supply chain. Optimization in a low-stress environment. Whether you are an aspiring engineer or just love satisfying loops, Shapez.io offers a deep dive into automation. It proves that with the right layout, even the most complex shapes can be produced effortlessly on an infinite scale. So there you have it. Shapez.io is the perfect way to master factory automation logic. What is your favorite shape to automate? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into educational gaming strategies.